using K-map. But in tabular method, we can easily minimize the expression of 5 variable or 6 variable also. So that is the basic advantage of our tabular method, and we can easily program it also. We can program it as per our requirement, and it will just give us the result where we can see the minimal expression of the Boolean expression of any number of variables, like 5 variable or a 6 variable Boolean expression. Clear? Now today we'll start a new topic, which is the binary code. Binary code, basically, just listen to me first everyone, students. Binary code comprises of binary bits. Bits are nothing but the symbols 0 and 1. Clear? So we'll be having only binary bits. The codes are, it can be of a sequence of zeros and ones. Either we have 4-bit sequence or 8-bit sequence or 16-bit. So basically, if we talk about a code, it comprises of the number of bit sequences: 4-bit, 8-bit, 12-bit, 16-bit. Like this way, we have the number of bits in which we are coding. Basically हम क्या कोड करते हैं, हम अपने नंबर्स को, कैरेक्टर्स को, आपके जो कैरेक्टर्स रहते हैं, डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स रहते हैं, उन सबको हम कोड करते हैं इन अ 4-bit or in a 8-bit or in a 16-bit. So those are known as codes, different codes. So we have the decimal numbers. Now we know that the binary can be used to designate a decimal number. If we have to designate 0 in binary, in 4-bit binary, then how will we designate it? It is 0000. Clear? Now if we have to designate 1 in 4-bit binary, it will be 0001. So this is how we are designating our numbers, that is decimal numbers, in 4-bit binary. Similarly, we can designate all the numbers, that is any number, any decimal number can be designated in binary. But definitely the binary length, the bit length will be more. Clear? Because here with the 4-bit, we can designate only from 0 to 15. If we have 16, definitely we need to have 5-bit binary. Clear? So we can designate any of the numbers, even the characters or the special characters like hash, and then we have the other characters like @ percentage, ampersand, asterisk. These are the special characters that we can even code them by using binary. So this is how we call the binary codes. Now we'll see what are the binary codes. These are binary codes. Clear? So basically, binary codes, as I have already said, represents text, computer processor instructions, or any other data using two symbols. Basically, what are the symbols that we are using? The symbols that we are using are 0,
0 and 1.
yes. What happened?
Then 0 and 1.
Yes, 0 and 1 are the symbols that we are using. Clearly, so 0 and 1 से ही हम सारे codes डिजाइन करते हैं. The binary codes assign a pattern of binary digits, also known as bits. We call it as bits to each character or instruction. Now these are the binary codes that we'll be studying. The first one is a BCD code, which is known as binary coded decimal. Clear? BCD is known as binary coded decimal. It is 8421 code. Why it is 8421 code? It will be of 4-bit code. It is a 4-bit code always. Binary coded decimal, it is different from a normal binary. It is a code. Actually, it's a code. So it is of 4-bit always. So we are actually coding here the numerical values. Like we'll be coding only numerical values. We definitely code our characters as well, but here we are just by making use of binary coded decimal, we are just coding our decimal values, that is the numbers. We are coding only numbers. Clear? So basically, when we are talking about codes, either we can code numeric values or alphanumeric values. Alphanumeric codes are the characters that we are coding. यहाँ पर हम कोई भी alphanumeric code को कोड नहीं कर रहे हैं. These are all used for the numeric coding. Clear? So we are having two types of coding. One is numeric coding, another one is alphanumeric. So you need to remember this thing कि आप दो तरह से कोड कर सकते हो. One is numeric, another one is alphanumeric. So basically यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ numeric coding कर रहे हैं. Clear? So this is only used for numeric coding. Alphanumeric हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. Clear? So numeric coding is also done and alphanumeric coding is also done. So in the BCD, which is a binary coded decimal, it makes use of 4-bit and we are coding only the numeric values. Clear? Next one is XS3 code. We'll see how the XS3 code is coded. Then we have gray code. We'll see about gray code also. We'll see one by one. Now coming to the first one, binary coded decimal. Now when we talk about binary coded decimal, it is BCD and it is always done with 4 bits. ये बस आपको ध्यान में रखना है. BCD is always done with 4 bit. It is a weighted code. Weighted code का क्या मतलब होता है? Now there are some codes which are weighted codes and which are non-weighted codes. Now when we write a binary code 1, 0, 1 and 1, this is the binary code that I have written here. Now when I am saying it's a weighted code, that means each and every bit position, this one, this one, this one and this one, will have a certain weight assigned to it. Clear? So this is my first bit position. This one is the LSB position. LSB matlab least significant bit. This is least significant bit. This position is always known as least significant bit. And this position is known as MSB, which is most significant bit. Always the rightmost bit is the LSB and the leftmost bit is the MSB. Clear? So what I'm saying, if I am having a code 1, 0, 1 and 1. So if I'm having a code 1, 0, 1, 1. So and in this one where it is saying BCD is a weighted code, that means this will have a particular weight. This will also have a particular weight. This will also have a particular weight. And this will also have a particular weight. It is also called as 8421 code. This BCD code is also called as 8421 code. Now why it is called as 8421 code? Because this position has weight 2 to the power 0. This position has weight 2 to the power 1. This position has weight 2 to the power 2. And this position has weight 2 to the power 3. So these are the different weights position. Since it is 2 to the power 0, it is 1. This is 2 to the power 1, it is 2. This is 2 to the power 2, it is 4. 2 to the power 3, it is 8. Hence it is called as 8421 code. Are you guys clear with this? 8421 code is a BCD code. Whenever we are talking about 8421, that means it is a BCD code. Clear? And BCD code will always be a 8421 code, and it is a weighted code. Weighted code means that all the bit position will have a particular weight assigned to it. The LSB bit will have the weight 2 to the power 0. Then we have the next bit 2 to the power 1. Then 2 to the power 2 and then 2 to the power 3. हमारे पास और भी weighted code होते हैं, like we even have 2421 code. और भी codes होते हैं. ये आपका weighted code है. इसमें क्या होता है कि जो MSB bit रहता है उसमें आपका weight 2 ही assigned रहता है. It is not necessary कि आपका यही weights रहे. We have the different weighted codes, and this one is the another example. Clear? So this is the another example of weighted code, and BCD is also a weighted code. Now what actually we do in BCD? BCD में हम सिर्फ 0 से 9 तक को कोड करते हैं. We are coding the numbers only from 0 to 9. That is, we code only 0 to 9. And then, how do we code 0 to 9? Wait, I'll tell. Here, I'm having a decimal 0. And in 8421 code, this is 8, 4, 2, and 1. See, if I have to code in 8421, all the values are 0, 0, 0, 0. If I have to code 1, it will be 0, 0, 0, 1. If I have to code 2, it is 0, 0, 1, 0. Now because the 1 is coming here at the position of the weight 2, so that is going high, and the rest are 0. Clear? Now if I have to code 3, it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1. If I have these two are high, this is 2 is high and 1 is high. In this one, in 0, 0, 1, 1, and these two are adding up and forming it 3. And if I have to code for 4, it is 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is how we'll code till 9. What would be the code of 7? 7 का code क्या होगा? What would be the code for 7? Yes? Anyone reply code for 7? Yes, students? What would be the BCD code for 7? Yes, correct. Is 0, 1, 1 and 1. Then we have 8. 8 is, what is the code for 8? Code for 8 is, yes, it's 1, 0, 0 and 0. Similarly, we'll have 9. It is 1, 0, 0, 1. It's 1, 0, 0, 1. Done. We have coded all the decimal numbers, that is the decimal number 0 to 9 in BCD. Now, what about 10? If I have to write the decimal number 10, how would I write in BCD? Decimal number 10, no, it is not 1010. Just wait, listen to me first. It is a BCD code. It's not binary. बाइनरी में आप इसको 5 बिट 6 बिट कितने भी बिट्स में लिख सकते हो, but here this is a code and it is always represented in 4 bits. 0 is represented as 0 0 0 0 and 1 in 4 bit it represented as 0 0 0 1. This is forming a decimal number 10 in BCD. Just don't get confused in binary and BCD. It is a code. It's not a binary. Binary representation नहीं है. We are representing only 10 values in 4 bit. वो सारे जो आपके 0 से 9 तक रहते हैं वो पूरे आपके 4 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेड रहते हैं. इंडिविजुअली हर एक नंबर, हर एक इंडिविजुअल डिजिट वो आपका 4 बिट में रिप्रेजेंटेड रहेगा. Now suppose if I have to code 197 in BCD, what the code would be? 197 in BCD. Yes, reply first. 197 in BCD. Yes, students. 197. 1 is correct. It's 1 is 0 0 0 0 1. This is just for 1. And then 9. 9 is 1 0 0 1. This is 9. 9 code is 1 0 0 1. Then 7. 7 is 0 1 1 and 1. This is how we'll code in BCD. Is the concept clear? Everyone, you should not get confused in binary and BCD. बाइनरी को हम 5 बिट में भी लिख सकते हैं, 6 बिट में भी लिख सकते हैं, 7 बिट में भी लिख सकते हैं, डिपेंडिंग ऑन आवर डेसिमल वैल्यू. इसको हम 2 से डिवाइड करते जाएंगे और उसका हम बाइनरी निकाल लेंगे. क्लियर? दैट इज व्हाट वी नो. डेसिमल टू बाइनरी कन्वर्जन, इट मे बी ऑफ एनी नंबर ऑफ बिट्स, बट BCD is always represented in 4 bit. इंडिविजुअल जो डेसिमल वैल्यूज रहता है वो आपका 4 बिट में ही रिप्रेजेंट होता है. Is the concept clear? BCD will always be represented in 4 bit. Clear? Now, one important thing to understand, there are 6 illegal combinations. Now, what are these illegal combinations? As I said, when we have to write 10, you people were saying 1 0 1 0. 10 की वैल्यू होती है 1 0 1 1. 11 की वैल्यू होती है. So these are the values, but actually these are nothing but 4 bit के different combinations, right? तो हमने यहाँ पर 10 combinations को use कर लिया है. We have made use of the 10 combinations out of 16. If we are using 4 bit, definitely we'll have 16 combinations, right? 16 combinations say in BCD we are just making use of 10 combinations. जो rest of the 6 combinations हैं, they will be considered as illegal combinations. अगर आपको ये combinations BCD में दिख रहा है, you can directly declare that it's an illegal combination and it doesn't exist in BCD. BCD में ये combinations exist नहीं करेंगे, never. Clear? These are 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 1, 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and all ones. Clear? So these are the illegal combinations in BCD. ये आपके 6 illegal combinations होते हैं, invalid combinations होते हैं. These combinations doesn't exist in BCD. Binary coded decimal और 8421 कोड, इसमें आपके ये combinations कभी भी exist नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ 0 से 9 तक को कोड कर रहे हैं and we know what are the codes of 0 to 9. Clear? So these combinations are always taken as illegal combinations. Now these are the codes जो मैंने अभी बताया आपको. 0 को 0000, 1 is 0001, 2 is coded in this way, 3 4 5 6 till 9. Clear? So these are all binary coded decimal. Now coming to the next code, which is XS3 code. XS3 code is a non-weighted BCD code. BCD मतलब बेसिकली ये बाइनरी कोई कोड कर रहा है, बट इट इज अ नॉन वेटेड कोड. इट इज अगेन ऑफ 4-bit बाइनरी कोड. ये भी 4-bit का ही होता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो ऑफ 4-bit. बट हाउ कम इट्स अ नॉन वेटेड कोड? क्योंकि इसका जो कोड रहता है, लाइक सपोज इफ आई एम राइटिंग 1010, दिस विल बी अ कोड, बट ये जो बिट पोजिशंस है इसमें कोई वेट्स असाइंड नहीं होते. They are not assigned. There is no weight assigned to any of the bit position. How the code is done? ठीक है? The code derives from the fact that each binary code word is the corresponding 8421 code plus 0011. So this is how the coding is done. Now we know that BCD में हम 0 को कैसे लिखते हैं? It is 0 0 0 0. Now if we have to write in XS3, it will be plus 0 0 1 1. हम इन दोनों कोड्स को ऐड करेंगे and whatever will be the answer, that will be the value of decimal 0 in XS3 code, and definitely it will be 0 0 1 and 1. So this is how we'll get the code of XS3. XS3 का जो कोड रहेगा वो हर एक BCD कोड का 0011 एडेड रहेगा प्लस 3. तो इसीलिए हम उसको XS3 बोलते हैं. Are you getting my point? Why is it called that XS3 code? Because for individually 8421 code, we are adding 0011, that is plus 3. 0011 क्या होता है? It's nothing but the value 3. So we'll add 0011 to the individual 8421 code, and whatever we'll be getting will be the XS3 code for that decimal value. So we'll see here. This is our decimal number 0. Now it is mentioned BCD code, XS3 code is obtained by adding 0011 to each BCD code. Now suppose the decimal number 7. The code in BCD is 0111. So 0111 plus 0011, it will be 1010 in XS3 code. Clear? Is it becoming clear what is XS3 code? Yes, students? For 0, it will be 0011. For 1, it is 0100. 1 का BCD क्या था? It was 0001. This was the BCD for decimal number 1. And if we add 00 1 and 1, क्या होगा ये? 1 plus 1 is, what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 1 0, right? So here it will be 0 and this is 1. Now 1 plus 0 plus 1, again 0 1. This will be 1 and this is 0, and hence we'll be getting 0100. Clear? So this is how we'll be getting all the codes. That is, for decimal 2, it was 0010. BCD was 0010. So what will add? 001 and 1. So if I'm adding 0, 0, 1 and 1, it becomes 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, 0, 1 is carried, 1 and then 0. So hence we are getting 0, 1, 0, 1. And this is how we'll be getting all the XS3 codes. Now we can see that the bit positions are not having any weights, but still it is a code for all the decimal numbers. यहाँ पर हमने सभी को कोड किया है. As we can see that we have coded the decimal number 0 to decimal number 9. We have coded all the values in again 4-bit. 9 is, it is 1100. 1100 is the XS3 code for 9. So in the XS3 code also, we are just making use of 10 binary codes. Out of 16 combinations, हम सिर्फ 10 को ही यूज कर रहे हैं. कौन कौन सा यूज नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पर? Can anybody tell what are the combinations which are not used in the XS3 code? XS3 code, the combinations which are not used are 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0 use नहीं हो रहा है. Again, the next one is 0, 0, 0, 1. It's also not used. And the next is 0, 0, 1, 0. Starting के 3 combinations use नहीं हो रहे हैं. It's only because that we are directly using 0, 0, 1, 1 for 0. ठीक है? तो these are the starting 3 combinations. Then we are having the combinations, the lower combination, that is the higher values, that is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and then 1, 1, 1 and 1. Clear? So these are the 6 combinations which are the illegal combinations. XS3 code has 6 invalid states. The starting 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. These are the starting 3 values. And the rest of the 3, that is the later 3 values, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1, 1. So these are the 6 illegal combinations. Yes, anybody has any doubt in this? Is this concept clear about XS3 and BCD? Everyone, if anyone has any doubt about the illegal combinations or the invalid states in BCD and in XS3, if it is clear, then we'll proceed further. Yes? Anyone? If anyone has any doubt, just reply that it's okay, it's correct. You are clear with the concept of BCD and XS3. Everyone is clear? BCD concept and XS3 concept? Okay, then we'll move further. Why legal combination is not acceptable in BCD? Because BCD is designed with only 4-bit and it is designed for the decimal numbers 0 to 9. हमारे पास decimal numbers 0 to 9 है. ठीक है? Now 0 to 9 and there is a constraint कि हमारा individually एक decimal number 4 bit से represent होगा. Clear? So हमारे पास decimal number 10 ही रहता है. 0 से 9 तक 10 values है और इन्हीं 10 values से सारे decimal numbers बनते हैं. मतलब अगर हमें 1020 लिखना है तो हम 1020 लिखेंगे. राइट? सो इसी से लिखा रहा है. ये जो आपके 10 नंबर्स है इसी से. तो इंडिविजुअली जो एक नंबर रहता है वो 4 बिट से डिजाइन रहता है. लेकिन हमारा जो 4 बिट है, 4 बिट के कितने कॉम्बिनेशंस पॉसिबल है? देयर आर 16 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस. तो हम इन 10 डिजिट्स को तो कोड कर देते हैं. दैट इज फ्रॉम 0 to 9 वी आर टेकिंग only 10 combinations out of 16 combinations. तो बाकी के जो 6 combinations रहेंगे वो आपके यूज ही नहीं होते हैं, बीसीडी में वो इनवैलिड हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, so that is the only reason that they are called as invalid combinations. उसको हम यूज ही नहीं करते हैं. अगर हमें इंडिविजुअली एक एक डेसिमल को लिखना है तो हम उसको 4 बिट से ही रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Clear? That is the only reason why we have these 6 illegal combinations and they will never come in BCD. BCD में अगर कहीं दिख रहा है ये 6 illegal combination तो वो आपका वो नंबर गलत है. ठीक है, is this clear? So that is how we are having 6 illegal codes in BCD and 6 illegal codes in XS3 also. XS3 में भी 6 illegal combinations रहते हैं. Clear? Now we have next code is gray code. Now the gray code is also a non-weighted code. It is a non-weighted code. Non-weighted code का concept is clear to everyone, I guess. What is a non-weighted code? Yes, anyone who can just answer this non-weighted code? This may come in the exam just for the 2 marks question or for objective question. अगर MCQ आएगा तो non-weighted code can be asked. What is a non-weighted code? Reply students, what is a non-weighted code? Anyone who can just put your mic on and reply. Bits having no weight. Bit positions having no weights. Clear? Bit positions are having no weight. Bits are assigned with no weights. There is no weighted system assigned to any of the bit position. That is a non-weighted code. Correct. It's clear. Agar if you have to give the example of non-weighted code, it will be the example of non-weighted code. It's XS3 and the gray code. Gray code and XS3 are the examples of the non-weighted code. Clear? XS3 is also that we studied last one is also a non-weighted code. Gray code is also a non-weighted code. Okay. Now we need to understand about the gray code. Gray code is a cyclic code. As the successive code word in this code differ by 1 bit position only. It is a unit distance code. Clear? What it is saying that the successive code words, if I have to write 0, it will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay? This is a code word for 0 in 4 bit. Gray code can be of 2 bit, 3 bit, 4 bit, any number of bits. It's not bit specific. Here, the XS3 and the BCD were bit specific. That is, वो आपके 4 bit में ही define होते थे. But here, the gray code is not bit specific. That is, कि आपके it can be of 2 bit, 3 bit, or 4 bit. Clear? So here, if I am writing 0 in gray code, let it be 0, 0, 0, 0. And since it's non-weighted, so we don't have to worry about the weight positions also. Now if I'm writing 1, I can write it as 0, 0, 0, 1. And if I'm writing 2, the next code word will be 0, 0, 1 and 1. Why is it so? 0, 0, 1 and 1. What it is saying that the successive code word in this code differ in 1 bit position only. 1 bit position में ही differ करेगा. If I am writing 1, here it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is, sorry, I said 4 zeros, right? It is 0, 0, 0, 1. Now if I am writing for 2, 2 को कोड करना है, so it will not be 0, 0, 1, 0. अगर ये 0 होता तो मेरे ये दोनों bits change हो जाते, right? My 2 of the bits are differing, but what it is saying that the code differ in 1 bit position only. So I cannot write 0 0 1 0 for 2. So basically I'll have to write it as 0 0 1 and 1. Clear? So 0 0 1 1 is the next code word, that is for 2. Now for 3 I can write 0 0 0 1. This is continuing, this is changing. Clear? First one was, this one was 0 0 0 0. For 1 it was 0 0 1. For 2 it was 0 0 1 and 1. And for 3 it was 0 0. This will be 0 and this will be 1. So in the successive code words, there should be just 1 bit difference, and we can have the another code. So this is 0 0 0 1, since it is differing in this bit position. Now if I look into these two codes, it is differing in this particular bit position. Now if I look into these two codes, it is differing again in this particular bit position. This one is same. Clear? So this is how we are coding for gray code. Gray code is a cyclic code and it is also called as unit distance code. साइक्लिक कोड मतलब आपके जो सक्सेसिव कोड वर्ड्स रहते हैं वो सिर्फ आपके एक बिट डिफरेंस में एक बिट पोजीशन में डिफर करेगा. दैट इज व्हाट इज अ साइक्लिक कोड एंड अ यूनिट डिस्टेंस कोड. इज दिस कंसेप्ट क्लियर? द ग्रे कोड कंसेप्ट हम जो के मैप में करते हैं वो आपका ग्रे कोड रहता है. हम कैसे मैप करते हैं? वी मैप, इफ वी हैव टू मैप, व्हाट डू वी डू? बेसिकली हम इसको जब मैप करते हैं, ये आपका 0 0 रहता है, 0 1 रहता है, देन कम्स 1 and 1, and then comes 1 0. So this is basically a gray code. Gray code is used in K-map. Code 1 and 3 is same. No, it is not same. Is it same? Okay, let's see. This is how the gray code is. This is for 0. This is for 1. Okay, it is 1 0. मैंने यहाँ पे गलत लिख दिया होगा. This will remain same. ये same रहेगा और ये 0 हो जाएगा. Correct. So code for 1 and 3 will be different. Now this is the gray code completely, and this is what is followed as the reflection of gray codes. ये हम डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. This is not to memorize. हमें इसको याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये आप पूरा डिजाइन कर सकते हो. Just a little bit of logic that we need to apply here. We'll understand it right now. Gray code is also a reflective code, and it is widely used to facilitate error correction in digital communication. हम gray code को error correction के लिए use करते हैं in digital communication. As the successive code words move, we'll check whether we have only 1 bit difference or not. Now if there are more than 1 bit difference, definitely the error will be detected and that can be corrected later. Clear? So gray codes are used for error correction in digital communication. Now how to design it? This is the definition as a reflection of gray code, and we'll just understand this one by this particular diagram. Just be with me and concentrate here. Now if it is a 1 bit code, 1 bit ka binary is also 0 and binary is 0 and 1. 1 bit में हम binary 0 और 1 लिखेंगे, उसका gray भी 0 और 1 ही होगा. Clear? Now moving on to the 2 bit. Now as it is saying that it is a reflective code. Reflective code का मतलब भी यही होता है कि बाइनरी वी राइट 0 एज 0 0, 1 एज 0 1, 2 को 1 0, 3 को 1 and 1. नाउ वी डोंट हैव टू लुक इनटू दिस बाइनरी थिंग, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, हमें डायरेक्ट ग्रे देखना है. नाउ इन 1 बिट इट वाज 0 1, तो हमने ये 0 1 को एज इट इज लिख लिया. नाउ जस्ट लुकिंग इनटू this part of your gray code, that is your first bit, the LSB of the gray code. This is 0, this is 1. Now coming down to the next two numbers, it will be 1 and 0. So 0 1 है, इसका हम mirror image नीचे में बनाते हैं. ये यहाँ पर 1 है, तो next bit will be 1, 0 will come down 0. Now since it is a 2 bit, तो हम ऊपर के इनिशियल बिट में 0 और 1 के साथ 0 0 ऐड कर देते हैं और लेटर के 2 बिट्स में 1 and 1 ऐड कर देते हैं. So this is how the gray code is designed. Let me explain it once again. This is for 0, 1, 2 and 3. I'll explain for 2 bit. We'll start with initial bit 0 and 1, first bit position. ठीक है, that is the LSB. Now I'll take the mirror image of the upside to the down. 1 का यहाँ पर 1 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर 0 हो जाएगा, because 0 is farther. This line will act as a mirror. This will be just a mirror image of the upside to the downside. Now we have to form it in 2 bit. तो ये आपका 0 और 0 हो जाएगा, and this side it will be 1 and 1. Is this concept becoming clear everyone? ये आपको सिर्फ इनिशियल बिट से स्टार्ट करना है. Since we are having 2 bit, हम अभी 2 bit के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो ये आपका 0 0 ये आपको देखना नहीं है. अभी आपको सिर्फ ये वाले बिट पोजिशंस को देखना है. Initially it will be 0 and 1. Now we'll put a mirror here and then we'll try to write down the mirror image of the upside values. The mirror image of this one will be 1 downside. Mirror image of this 0 will be 0 downside. Exactly the same it will be appearing in the downside. Now for the second bit position, since it's a 2 bit, it will be 0 0 before mirror, and after this mirror it will be 1 and 1. Is this becoming clear students? For 2 bit is it clear? Just tell me, reply if it is clear or not.
Ma'am, second bit position is
second bit position, this one, ये सिर्फ आपको
that means 0 0 and 1 1.
ये आपका 0 0 और ये 1 1 है, right? This is how the second bit position will just simply mark it 0 0, because ये initial values है, तो पहले आप 0 से start करोगे and after mirror will mark it 1 and 1, because we have to create a different codes for these 4 numbers, right? So for initial values it will be 0 0 0 रहेगा, और for later values after mirror it will be 1 and 1. Is this clear now? Now if we are moving on to the 3 bits, इस अब मिरर आपका यहाँ शिफ्ट हो रहा है. यहाँ पर we are already having 4 bit का कोड, मतलब 4 नंबर का कोड हम ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं. Now we have another 4 numbers like till 4 5 6 and 7. तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर मिरर शिफ्ट करेंगे. What will be our first value after mirror? The first value will be 1 0. The first value will be 1 0, because this is 1 0. Clear? The next value will be 1 and 1. This is 1 and 1. And then third value will be 0 1. And the last value will be 0 0. So this is how we'll be getting the mirror image of the upside values to the downside. इसका exactly mirror image हो जाएगा. अब अगर हमें इसको 3 बिट में लिखना है तो what will happen, यहाँ पर सारे zeros ऐड हो जाएंगे. Here we'll be getting all zeros, and these values will be all ones. That's it. तो ये आपका 3 bit का ग्रे कोड फॉर्म हो जाएगा. We can see the 2 bits. The last 2 bits will be for first one and the last one will same. ये second one है और ये second last है. Last 2 bits will be same. What will be different? Only the third bit जो आपका MSB रहता है. तो ये आपका exactly mirror image रहता है for the 2n+1 - 1 mirror images. ठीक है, तो अगर आपके टोटल n सिग्निफिकेंट बिट्स है, इट विल बी हैव 2 to n, तो 2 to n combinations मतलब then through 2 to the power n+1 - 1 are the mirror images of those for 0 through 2 to the power n - 1. So this is how this concept is implemented here. अब इसका हमें अगर 4 bit करना है तो what will be the next value? 1 0 0, then 1 0 1 for 9. 10 will be 1 1 1, then 1 1 0, this one, then 0 1 0, this one, then 0 1 and 1, this one, then 0 0 1, 14, then for last 15 it's 0 0 0. अब इसको हम 4 bit कैसे बनाएंगे? We'll add zeros at this position. यहाँ पर हम इसको 4 bit add कर देंगे, and after mirror we'll add 1. That's it. Now we are getting all the gray codes. We can check with this. 8 is 1 1 0 0. 11 is 1 1 1 0. We are getting 1 1 1 0. Is the concept of gray code become clear, everyone? Is it clear or not? If you want, I'll explain it again in the next class. But the concept has to be very clear because gray code is very, very important and it always comes in the exam. Why gray code are called as reflective codes? हम gray code को reflective code क्यों बोलते हैं? Because it has a reflection of upside to the downside of just last bits. That is, if you are having n bits, then n - 1 number bits will be having the reflections.